Good evening, Valparaiso. I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Alex Krull here with your weather update for Wednesday evening on September 16th, 2015. We've experienced some warm and mild conditions the last few days here in Valparaiso, but we are expecting this to change though as we go into our weekend. We're currently keeping track of a low pressure system and associated cold front, which will bring a cool down to the area and also some thunderstorms over this weekend. But once the cold front does pass through the area, we're expecting a nice week to start off the school week on Monday with temperatures returning into the 70s. So here's a look at the upper level pattern which has allowed us to experience these nice conditions. We've had an upper level ridge which has allowed plenty of southwesterly winds to bring in the warmer temperatures. We also have an associated high pressure that's sitting off the Atlantic coast which is allowing southerly winds to advect into the area and is the reason why we saw temperatures reach 82 degrees today, and we're expecting it to be in the 80s for tomorrow. But as we go into our weekend, when we put the map in motion, here's the disturbance we're expecting to move from the northwest into the Great Lakes region. This trough here will have an associated low pressure system and cold front, which will help to bring a cool down and thunderstorms for our Friday night. So here's a look at temperatures currently in the area, 70 degrees here in Valparaiso. With the clear skies tonight, temperatures are going to be able to drop pretty significantly for our overnight lows. They'll be hovering just a little bit below 60 degrees. But for tomorrow afternoon, the clear skies will allow the temperatures to bounce back up once again. 81 degrees right around 4 p.m., but we could possibly see some highs around the Chicagoland area around 86 degrees, especially as those winds continue to come from the south. Now, as we put this map into motion into our Friday night, that cold front's going to start to move in from the northwest, and that will be cooling us down for the most part on Friday, bringing us some cloudy conditions. And with those cloudy conditions, as that cold front approaches, we're also expecting the chance for some precipitation. So here's just a look at the region right now. Valparaiso currently in the warm sector of this low pressure system, but here's the cold front back out towards South Dakota, Nebraska, and into Colorado. These cooler temperatures will be working their way into the Great Lakes region and bringing us the chance for some precipitation. So here's a look at the satellite and RPM radar. Starting off with some cloud cover for tomorrow morning, but we're expecting that to clear off again as our temperatures will be bouncing back into the 80s. But as we go into Friday night and into Saturday, here's the cold front and the associated thunderstorms and showers that will be moving through. Once these showers and thunderstorms move through, though, Friday night into Saturday morning, we're actually expecting conditions to be relatively clear for the end of our weekend and into the start of our next school week. So for tonight, an overnight low of 58 degrees with mostly clear skies. The winds will calm down a little bit coming out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, the clear conditions will be sunny. We'll have a high temperature of 86 degrees. With that low pressure system and cold front approaching the area, expecting some evening cloud cover, and the winds will pick up a little bit, still coming from the south, but now at 15 miles per hour, and could even see some gusts of up to 20. So with that, we have your 5-day forecast. On Friday, when that cold front moves through, expect to see some thunderstorms in the area. During the afternoon, the high temperature will reach into the 80s, but we are expecting a cool down to occur after that with an overnight low of 68. Saturday, expect some of the rain showers to linger into the late afternoon, but should be clearing up. High temperature of 71 degrees, so there's that cool down we've been talking about. Overnight low of 51. Then on Sunday, there will be some lingering cloud covers, but should be mild, dry, and cool here in Valparaiso with a high temperature of 68 degrees. Then finally on Monday, we'll return to clear skies and some warmer conditions, but not nearly as warm as we saw this week. That is all for your weather update. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.